Oh,
esas palmeras murmurantes. Oh,
no, the lawnmower.
So the same thing happened that happened last year. I got a gas-powered lawnmower. I tried to start it up this morning because the grass definitely needs mowing, but wouldn't start, of course. It sat outside all winter. We had it covered up, so I'm going to try to let it dry out and hopefully it'll start again. And but the same thing happened last year. So while I'm out here, I thought I would do a little short video. The last study I did was an excellent study on the word practice, but I've got a two-part word study coming up. I won't reveal what it is, but there's a lot of scripture associated with it, so I had to do it in two parts. I'll probably send it to Simon if he wants it to do a blog on it, but it looks like a well worth study to go through as far as scripture is concerned, and the word meaning in context. But it's a gorgeous day out here. My wife got all her flowers. I'll show you those. See, she's got those all set up. And she's got plants there and plants there and the little garden there. So it's come together. It's just been raining and raining and raining. This whole month of May has just been rain. But hopefully good weather comes here for the next month in June. So I finished the computerized accounting part. I passed it for the certification, so that's done. I don't know what else is coming up, but schooling. Just once it's done, then I hopefully can get a better job. That's all I care. I need to work, because you got to work in these days. Got to do something to provide for your family. But at least I'm getting out a little bit more, doing deliveries this week, which is nice. But yeah, so I thought I'd put a video out, and we'll see what that next word study brings about. Have a beautiful day. Grace and peace.